Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The 4.0 Tfsi engine is a twin-turbocharged V8 gasoline engine developed by the Volkswagen Group, primarily used in high-performance Audi S and RS models, as well as in some Bentley and Porsche vehicles. It is part of the EA824 and EA825 engine family, which is often confused with the BMW N63 in search results, but they are distinct engines. This engine is renowned for its immense power, sophisticated technology, and luxurious performance. Review and opinions. The 4.0 Tfsi engine is overwhelmingly praised for its exceptional power and torque. It delivers brutal acceleration and relentless pulling power across the entire rev range, making the large luxury and performance vehicles it powers feel incredibly fast. Refinement. Despite being a high-output V8, it operates with remarkable smoothness and minimal vibration, contributing to a premium and comfortable driving experience. Soundtrack. The V8 burble and roar are a significant draw for enthusiasts, providing an exhilarating auditory experience, especially in RS models. Advanced technology incorporates features like cylinder on demand, COD, which deactivates 4 cylinders under light load, and a mild hybrid system, MCV, in newer versions to improve fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. Hot V design. The twin turbochargers are located within the V of the cylinder banks, contributing to a compact engine design and shorter exhaust gas paths, which minimizes turbo lag and improves throttle response. However, opinions sometimes reflect concerns about potential high running costs due to its complexity and the specialized nature of repairs. Advantages. Massive power output. Typically produces between 420 horsepower and over 600 horsepower, with corresponding high torque figures, e.g., 550 Nm to 850 Nm, ensuring exhilarating performance. Smooth and responsive. Twin-turbo setup and sophisticated engine management result in a highly responsive and linear power delivery with minimal turbo lag. V8 character. Delivers the desirable sound and feel of a powerful V8. Efficiency features. Cylinder on demand, COD, and mild hybrid technology significantly improve fuel economy for a V8 of this caliber, particularly during cruising. Durability. When maintained designed for high-performance applications, the core engine components are generally robust if properly maintained. Disadvantages. Complexity and repair costs. The advanced nature of the engine, twin turbos, direct injection, COD, MHEV, complex oiling/cooling systems, means that repairs can be intricate, labor-intensive, and very expensive. Carbon buildup. As with most direct injection engines, carbon deposits on the intake valves are a known issue over time, potentially impacting performance and requiring professional cleaning. Specific turbocharger concerns. Some earlier versions of the 4.0 Tfsi, particularly 2013 to 2014 models, were known for turbocharger failures, often linked to a small oil screen/filter in the oil supply lines to the turbos that could clog. This issue was largely addressed in later revisions. High running costs. Beyond potential repairs, fuel consumption is high despite efficiency measures, and premium fuel is generally required. Maintenance, parts, and labor are also expensive. Faults and breakdowns, common issues. While generally reliable in later iterations, specific common issues have been reported for the 4.0 Tfsi. Turbocharger failure. Early C7 chassis Audi S/RS models 2013 to 2014, this is perhaps the most well-known and costly issue. Failures were often attributed to clogged oil strainers or lines leading to the turbos, starving them of lubrication. Symptoms include whining/whistling noises, loss of power, and excessive blue/black smoke. Audi later implemented revised parts and, in some cases, extended warranties or recalls. Timing chain tensioner issues. Although it uses a timing chain designed for the life of the engine, issues with tensioners or guides can lead to rattling noises, especially on cold starts. While less common than in some older VG engines, it's a critical component. Carbon buildup on intake valves reduces airflow and can cause misfires, rough idling, and decreased performance. Periodic intake valve cleaning, e.g., walnut blasting, may be required. Water pump and coolant leaks. Failures of the water pump or leaks from plastic cooling system components are not uncommon, leading to coolant loss and potential overheating. PCV, positive crankcase ventilation, valve issues. A failing PCV valve can lead to rough idle, oil consumption, and oil leaks. Engine mounts. Active engine mounts can wear out, leading to increased vibration and noise. Fuel consumption. Despite efficiency technologies, the 4.0 Tfsi is a V8 performance engine, so fuel consumption is higher than smaller engines. Official combined figures typically range from 10.0 to 12.5 L/100 km depending on the vehicle, e.g., RS7 versus A8. Real-world figures. Expect real-world consumption to be in the 11.0 to 15.0 L/100 km range for mixed driving. Aggressive driving will easily push it beyond 15 L/100 km. On long highway cruises with cylinder on demand active, it can achieve surprisingly good figures, sometimes dipping below 10 L/100 km. Timing. The 4.0 Tfsi engine uses a timing chain. This system is designed for the lifetime of the engine and typically does not require scheduled replacement like a timing belt. However, the integrity of the chain and its tensioners is highly dependent on proper lubrication. Regular oil changes with the correct specification are crucial to prevent premature wear. Listen for any persistent rattling or ticking noises, especially on cold starts, as these could be indicators of timing chain stretch or tensioner issues. Oil. Using the correct, high-quality engine oil is paramount for the longevity and performance of the 4.0 Tfsi, especially given its twin-turbo setup and the hot V design. Viscosity. Common recommendations include 0W, 30, or 5W, 30, and in some cases, 0W, 40, or 5W, 40 for performance applications or specific regions. Always check the owner's manual. VW specifications. The oil must meet specific Volkswagen Group, VW, approval standards. VW 50400/50700. Long-life 3. This is a very common specification for modern VG engines, allowing for extended drain intervals, e.g., up to 30,000 kilometers or 2 years, depending on driving conditions and service indicator. VW 50200/50500 for fixed service intervals, e.g., 10,000 to 15,000 kilometers or 1 year, or if long-life oil isn't used. VW 51100 for some high-performance models and newer standard often associated with lower SAPs, sulfate ash, phosphorus, sulfur, oils, particularly for engines with gasoline particulate filters, GPF. Capacity. The oil capacity is substantial, typically around 8.0 to 9.0 liters. Always refer to your specific vehicle's owner's manual for the exact recommended oil type and capacity. Many owners and specialists recommend shorter oil change intervals, e.g., every 10,000 to 15,000 kilometers or annually, than the factory long-life intervals, especially for cars driven hard, to maximize engine and turbocharger longevity. Versions and history. The 4.0 Tfsi engine is part of the EA824 and EA825 engine family and was introduced by Audi around 2012. It was developed to provide powerful V8 performance with improved efficiency compared to previous naturally aspirated V8s and even some larger V10/W12 engines. Key versions and applications. Early versions 2012-2015/2016. 309 kilowatts, 420 PS/414 horsepower found in models like the Audi S6, C7, S7, C7, and S8, D4 base models. These versions were most commonly associated with the early turbocharger oil strainer issues. 382 kilowatts, 520 PS/513 horsepower, also in the Audi S8 D4, offering a higher output. 412 kilowatts, 560 PS/552 horsepower found in the Audi RS6 Avant C7 and Audi RS7 Sportback C7. These were the halo performance models of their time. Later versions, around 2016 onwards, often with revisions. 445 kilowatts, 605 PS/597 horsepower. Performance/Plus versions, introduced in models like the Audi RS6 Performance and RS7 Performance. These had slightly higher boost and tuning. Newer generation, C8 chassis, D5 chassis, etc., from roughly 2018/2019 onwards, often paired with mild hybrid electric vehicle, MHEV technology. This further enhances efficiency and smoothness of the start/stop system. Significant power range continues to power RS models with outputs often exceeding 600 horsepower, e.g., Audi RS6/RS7, C8, Audi RS Q8, Audi S8 D5. Used in other VW Group brands. Porsche, Panamera, Cayenne, often listed as 4.0 L V8 twin-turbo, sharing the EA825 base. Bentley, Continental GT V8, Flying Spur V8, Bentayga V8. Lamborghini, Urus, though heavily modified with different cylinder heads and tuning, it's also based on the EA825. The 4.0 Tfsi has established itself as one of the most significant performance engines in the luxury segment, delivering a compelling blend of power, refinement, and modern efficiency features. Its early turbocharger issues are a key point for those considering older models, but the engine's fundamental performance and character remain highly desirable. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.